slides. Okay, and also similar way, if you want to share this slide, you can actually just slide. First of all, you have to name it. So just change the name, presentation of the TS4 management, then just share this and share with your team members. As usual, you guys already know about this. And also something you can add more, like you can add some shape here, you can add some images here, you can add also some additional text box here, you can add all of those things also here. And yep, and also if you want to add some voice, you can also insert some voice also here, you can also insert some video in your slide also. So it depends like what you want to show and how you want to present. Based on that, you can actually add all of this. Okay, and they have also so many like extensions. Actually, the extensions is similar, but you have the different categories extensions. Like there is the extension is work with slides. So these are the extensions for the slides. Okay, so you can add some more libraries. You can bring some more like things based on their extensions. Okay, you can go there, and this is the extensions. Like you can add some flow charts, wireframes. For this, you can use the Lucy chart. And then this is the math tab. If you want to show any mathematical things or math equations, you can use this. So they have like so many add-ons, but based on your work, you can also search for the add-ons, and you can actually, by using the add-ons, you can easily work on the slide. Okay, so this is the slide one, and then the another one, that one is called the Google Forms. So Google Forms is also another important things. So if you go here, and these also they have the blank form, blank quiz, or form a template. So if you, let's go the template first. Let's see. So these are the template. So like the contact information, or find a time, or RSVP. I'm not sure about this RSVP. This is the event RSVP. Oh, okay. Then the party invite, then the t-shirt sign up. So this is just the registration form or some order form or the job application form. So you can use their template, or as usual, you can actually use the from the blank one. So let's create a blank one. Okay, so this is the blank one. So first of all, what you can do, you can give the name of the form. So let's say personal information. Okay, so here you can give the like the subtitle of this. So this form is to get the personal information of a candidate, like something like this. You can add this, and then you can actually put the question here. Okay, so you can add this the multiple choice, or you can actually take the answer as a paragraph or the short answer, or you can also take the file upload. You can do this. Okay, so let's say short answer. So first name. Okay, and also here you can give the short answer text so that they can get some idea like what will be the answer. So let's say example. Where it is. Oh, okay. Okay, let me add another one. So yeah, we can change it, right? Import question, add title, description. Oh, okay. Let's do the next one then. Okay, then say last name. So here also is same so by default it get the short answer. Then we can also make it required so that they must have to like fill up these questions. And then the next one is date of birth, and then it's by default it is select the date because based on our question. So you can also select this. Okay, so that they can select from the calendar. Okay, then also make it required. Then your occupation. Okay, here also we can select the short answer. Then which course do you want to enroll, right? So for that, we can select the multiple choice. So let's say software Okay, we can put here the not the enrollment form. Let's say like this. So this form is to get the so fill up the form to enroll a course. Okay. So let's say software quality automation engineer, then agile product owner, cloud ops, AWS, cloud ops engineering, software quality automation engineering, right? And also put the other options so that they can add their like other, and in the other they can actually just put something else. Okay. Okay, so then also make it required, and then select another one, then upload your picture. Okay, and here delete the sorry, just simply select this and select the file upload. Okay, and also you can allow only specific file types. You can also select the file type so they can upload the PDF, image, and yeah, only these things. And the maximum file size is 10 MB, or you can make it like, yeah, 10 MB is fine, and maximum number of files 1. Okay, so they can actually upload your picture. Okay, and the next one is very good. So yeah, this is how we can actually add the form. And after adding the form, oh, okay, and another information we can take, that one is, okay, let's drag it, and first name, last name, date of birth, and email address. Okay, so this one is also short answer. Okay, so after doing this, then what you can do, we can go to the responses, and we can actually, whatever the responses we'll get, we will get the responses here. Okay, and also we can change it. We can go to the settings, and then we can actually change the response, like collect email address. So if it will actually do not collect, then it will, if we make it like verified, or so it will, first of all, it will at the very beginning, it will give ask for the email address, then it will allow to fill up the form. Okay, though we have already the field to get the email address, so we are good. And also here we can form defaults, collect email address by default, do not collect, and this is the same things. And some, we don't need to change anything here, and this one we are good. So also change it here, enrollment form. Okay, so here, and also if you want to customize the theme, you can customize the theme. You can change the theme color, and also you can change the font. You can also choose the header, the image, so that it will actually give a image there. So let's say you can upload also. So let's say illustration. Okay, let's take it the enrollment. So insert this. Okay, so looks good. Okay, and by default it also change the color. Okay, so after this, then what you will do, you will just send the form, right? Send the form to, so to send the form, because people need to fill up, right? So you guys just click on the send, and then here you can send individually to someone's email address, or you can also get the link. So just click on this, and this is the link, or you can take the whole link, or you can shorten the link. So it will just shorten the link, then just simply copy this. Okay, and then just send it to you. So let me send it to you on the Zoom chat. So, and also let me go to the incognito mode, and let me show you how it looks like. If someone go to this link, then this is how it will looks like. So it will at the very beginning, it is just asking to sign in to your Gmail. So let me sign in my Gmail.
No, Pranto, it is not asking for sign in or something. I clicked on it. It directly took me to the website.
Oh, no, no, you are already logged in your Gmail account. That's why. But this is my
Oh,
incognito.
okay,
I
okay,
don't have
maybe.
any Gmail or any mail account. That's why it's asking me. So let
Right.
me quickly. Where is my verification?